If you drive an older Buick LaCrosse without Apple CarPlay, you do not need to trade in your car to get modern connectivity. Studies show that the vast majority of drivers prioritize seamless smartphone integration over the clunky factory navigation systems found in older luxury sedans. Let us look at the most reliable paths to getting Apple CarPlay running in your LaCrosse. Follow these 4 steps to safely integrate the new hardware into your center console. You only need a basic set of hand tools to complete this install without damaging your interior panels. Deciding between a software update and a hardware module depends on your specific model year and your DIY comfort level. Performing the install yourself can save you hundreds in labor costs compared to professional audio shops. Once everything is secured, test your connection before reassembling the dash and enjoy your new, modern Buick LaCrosse.